This is AP News Minute. A son-in-law of Osama bin Laden's is set to appear in federal court in New York City Friday to answer to a charge of plotting against Americans. Prosecutors say al-Qaeda spokesman Suleiman Abu Ghaith praised the attacks of September 11, 2001, and warned there would be more. Iranian President Mahmoud Ahmadinejad arrived in Venezuela Friday for Hugo Chávez's state funeral. It's expected to be attended by more than 30 heads of government, including Cuban President Raul Castro. Chávez's body will be embalmed and forever displayed inside a glass tomb at a military museum. Justin Bieber's recovering after fainting backstage at a concert in London Thursday. A spokeswoman for Bieber says the 19-year-old pop star was given oxygen and took a 20-minute break backstage at London's O2 Arena. And as Peeps celebrated its 60th anniversary, Pennsylvania-based parent company Just Born expects to churn out a record 1 billion marshmallow chicks and bunnies this Easter season. Matt Small, The Associated Press, with AP News Minute.